shooting stars on my stairs.
Yeah. Hey. Zulu behind it. Yeah, ivaru kujang in subnonke. Better than these dudes nje sebabonke. Cancela la sekasi ngiphethe ikasi lonke. And emele wazi indlela lana mayimhlophe. You find a white motherfucker in the cut. I'm not racist, I'm just telling what's up. Nobody telling you reality sucks. It's fucking entertainment to them that we doing these drugs. The whole squad tryna get out of guts. Feeling like a bone duck, njoji tambule nyang. No mistakes, people know what they done. Treat you like you trash, done, I'm again, I'm out. Yeah, so this is who I am. Whole squad behind, City Zulu lahlele. Yeah, no line, twani ndugu ngiyayithela. Tsena CD Popeyes, katlela kadithele. Now yabona lang sabelesele. So cross the border, las bangenelele. And I'm fucking chilling with niggas who rap, telling all of the facts that keep it 100%, nigga. Ain't no low life mode. Chasing all my dreams was the best I chose. Yeah, if I real need smoke, she got me doing all the things I don't. When making money was the thing I chose, the inner me wanted to write these notes. Trapped in cages, Mandela chose when he gave the white man the farms and gold. Yeah, I think I need my smoke. Looking all around, nobody got hope. Yeah, I blame it on these folks. Taking states money, spending on these hoes. Yeah, man, fuck the things I know. Man, fuck the system, they don't need my votes. Victims of these high hopes. Street kings, everything I know. Type K1